Good morning, friends. GP Singh, your IELTS Guru. Yes, we are working on various cue cards last about say 15-20 days, and the things are on. Every day I'm giving you one cue card. It helps you the time when you're writing, you're taking up a IELTS speaking test. This is the second part of it, and I think people who are getting the benefit out of it, they are really feeling good. Well, today's cue card that I'm going to talk about is talk about your favorite magazine or a book. Talk about your favorite magazine or a book. Please say, what is it? Secondly, when did you read it? And last, why did you like it? If at all you are a book reader, it's not that only one book you would be reading. There would be plethora of it. But the time when you are talking about your favorite, yes, you are stuck with a particular book or a magazine, be it the day when it has to release, and you are just thinking about it that the moment it should be in your hands. There would be so many, in case if you are a book reader. Yes, I must say, in case if you have a reading as a passion, then definitely you are longing for it. Well, I'll talk about it. I will try to give good words. There are plethora of books that I read on a regular basis. Through my Kindle, I do read various books. But the time when I talk about magazines, India Today is one particular magazine for which I always long for. I always wait for the issue to come. And my book vendor, he also understands the moment this particular magazine is out, Gurinder Singh would like to have the first copy in hand. I have been reading this particular book for last about a decade or so, since it covers not only the political aspect but also the sports aspect, international events, and so many other things which really make a person understand how the world is going as on date. Probably that is the reason I am updated not only with the internal news but also with the news worldwide. Precisely, the language used is so easy, and the choice of words is so peculiar that each and every word once read moves right into the head. The aspect given by various correspondents is again something which adds beauty to it. This particular magazine is the lifeline for me because it keeps my hunger for the knowledge satisfied on day-to-day basis. If at all I skip any particular news otherwise, this magazine will definitely make it for sure that it will be covered in it. Above all, it's not covering any local news which is pertaining to accidents or people getting harsh with each other, but it will talk about various things which make a person elevate his knowledge. That's precisely the reason I like it. Thank you. In case if you people like it, please press the button. Subscribe it to my channel so that you are getting the very first copy in your hand the moment I am giving a new notification comes to you and you are having my video on hand. Above all, it will help us grow together. Thank you. Thanks a lot. All the best. Take care.